Hello everyone, it's Bilal. It's another video of my giant secret. Last time I made a video that I just joined this system and this system really works. Let me show you a proof first. Let's see here. If you see there affiliates. Now I have 7 upgraded members. You see, I have 7 upgraded members, and here are my commissions. Here are my commissions. I got $140 payout. Here is a screenshot of they sent me like in my local currency. So yes, I got around $140 and converted in my local currency. So yes, this system really works. So today I will show you how to mail from this system. So let's just start this. If you go to the mailing system, you see there are mail by date, mail by lead partner. So here you can see here are multiple of partners of the system. So what I will do, we will do mail by date and we will select our whole leads. So as you can see now I have 5,800 leads. So here you can select send from or send from Bilal instead of no reply on send from my lead gen secretary. So what we will do is send from my name. So here are few of the emails which I have sent in a month. So I can load it from here also, like this. So you see that okay, so first name fixes. You see here it will show the first name in the subject and also there. So here you can see I have email here. So let's just I have few of the swipes. What you have to do is just write in the Google, just type here swipes of the day, just type here and what you have to do is copy this swipes of the day and paste in the URL section. So maybe the website is not working. Let me check it. So guys, this website is called Swipe of the Day. I will put a link in it in the description also. So just copy this, paste it to URL, and you can see here we have different swipes for the whole month. So what I will do is just pick a random one. So yes, here you can see like there may I pour my heart out. Okay, so let's try. Is this true about YouTube? You can see here. Let's just go with this. Like we have different too. So what we will do is first copy this URL. Copy this first. Just what we have to do is like you have to, like he said, replace XXX with your affiliate ID. So my affiliate ID is 13789. I will show you from here also. You can see 13789. And what he is told, where and date means from where are you, source is basically from where I am promoting it. So let's just say MLGS today's date 30/11/19. So yes, you copy this again, paste in the URL section. Here you got this again. So yes, you can see where your okay. So just I will copy this subject here. Let's go to the mailing system first. Select all the leads. Okay, so subject, and what you have to do is copy this whole body and paste it here. Yes, here you can do whatever you want. Like I am using the same thing, you can change if you want. So let's just do this quickly. can see here is a hyperlink of our link. Let's do it again and again. See you inside. Yes. Okay, so here first let me show you. Let's just put my number first, then I will show you how to put your picture so that people can know you, who you actually are. So that's my number. What I will do is copy this again, put a link on it. You see, you can do anything, but I will shoot other, and then telephone, and copy the number, and it will be hyperlink as you can see. And also I will put here my Facebook ID. So let's just select first, copy my link, Facebook link, copy this. Okay, so here you can see another hyperlink. Okay, so what if you want to put a photo, there is a website called Imgur. What you do, just simply copy it, like for example I have a photo on this. Let's just new post, drag emoji. So yes, what I will do is drag my image here. You see that? So what I have to do is get share links, go to BB code, copy this whole code. Okay, so put like here. You can put your URL, but you have to remove the image tag. Just you remove the image tag, and you see, you can see here. Okay, so what I will do is I have the code of my signature, so I will just put my signature here. I have the code of my signature right here. There it is. So copy. I will put my signature simply. Okay, so yes. Okay, so I will also tell you what the perfect timing is later in your video. So what I will do is, let's just preview this. Okay, so here is no hyperlink here. Okay, so let's just check the link. Okay, so we put that link, it's working fine. Our ID is okay. 100 leads a day, it's a hyperlink. You can see it's working fine. It's showing going to see you inside. Okay, so after you see it's working all fine. Let's just check Facebook. It says okay, Facebook, my account is open. So great. So what I will do is close this. I will send the email to the whole of my leads. Then you see I will email after 24 hours, 23 hours. So yes, okay, so let's just quickly wrap up the video. You can, like, we put that source here, so you can track from which email your affiliate has come. And another thing is I just wanted to show you about perfect timing. Perfect timing is like that. If you see your lead, you see at the time when your user has signed up, so yes, that's the perfect timing. He will receive the email at that time, okay. So yes, that's it guys. So let's just say stats. You see the email is sent. I have like daily sent, perfect timing. So yes, thank you for watching this video. I hope you will like this video, and I will put a link under the video, so I hope you will see it. Okay, thank you so much guys.